During those times, it was very difficult. I was brought up in a very poor family. My mom would give us an allowance of 50 cents every day, and it's never enough. There are some snacks that will always bring me back to those days. I don't know whether you guys know this, but Hero, I used to love it so much. Oh my god! You guys found it! It is the same. When you get to eat this kind of things, it's like, it makes us very happy, you know, me and my sisters. So yeah, it just brings me back to those days when we can't afford this kind of food. And now, you know, I always tell myself to make sure that my children doesn't go through that. Guys, it's not cool. Am I passionate about food? Alright, so as I grow older, I got married, I have children now, so I am more aware of what my children are eating. So FairPrice has challenged me to cook for another kid. I'm excited, but I'm also very nervous.
Hello, my name is Koah. I'm 9 years old and this is my mommy sitting here.
Hello.
Hi, my name is Nurul. Very nice to meet you. Now today, FairPrice has challenged me to cook for you, Koah. What is your favorite food?
Lobster with olive oil, eggs, cheese, baked shrimp, and fish.
He likes shrimp that is cooked in certain way. So when I stir fry shrimp, he will not eat. Or I'll have to force him to eat. But when it comes to tempura, he will wipe out every single piece.
What do you like and do not like from your school canteen?
I love the Western food. I don't like the mushy and untasty vegetables.
He prefers crunchy vegetable like broccoli, carrot.
So if you can choose between pasta, pizza or burger, which would you choose?
Creamed sauce pasta with lots of cheese.
Okay, Koah, thank you so much for answering all of my questions. Now, the next time I see you, we'll be here when you try the dish that I cook especially for you, alright? I hope you like it.
I can't wait for the delicious food.
Alright, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
After listening to what Koah likes, I have decided to cook for him creamy seafood pasta. Look at this place. Let's go. Now, in my pasta, I'm going to use squid and I'm going to put in clams. So I've been told that when you're choosing your squid, right, you have to make sure that it's bright-eyed, make sure that there's no slime and there are no tears on the skin. Okay, looks like I've got everything I need. I can't wait to start cooking for Koah, but I'm a little bit nervous. I hope he will really like my dish. I can't wait to surprise him. Let's go. So I've got all my ingredients ready for my creamy seafood pasta. It's got a good balance of what Koah likes and at the same time give him a new tasting experience. So the first thing you need to do is you need to boil your pasta. You heat up the pan. Once it's hot, put your minced garlic, paprika and then basil. It smells wonderful. Okay, so I'm going to put in my squid now. Once it has changed color, it's done. I will put the cooking cream in first because I don't want it to get too dry. And as Koah mentioned earlier, he likes creamy pasta. Now we're going to put in the clams and let it simmer for about 3 minutes. Bellissimo! This is beautiful. I'm going to quit my day job and I'm going to be a chef. Koah actually mentioned he likes his vegetables a little bit crunchy, so I'm not going to overcook the broccoli. I'm going to put in the pasta right now. And the last part of this recipe, we're going to drizzle some cheese. That is so simple. Now anybody can cook this. I'm going to plate it. Okay? I'm ready to present my dish to Koah. Let's go. Koah, last I saw you and your mommy was through a video call and it's nice to finally see you. I know you like seafood and I know you like creamy pasta. I'm just doing something different for you, so I added squid and clams. Okay, go ahead. Try it, Koah. Koah?
Yummy.
Did you guys hear that? Did you just eat the broccoli? He just ate the broccoli! If only I can make my kids eat broccoli like how you eat broccoli. My children doesn't eat broccoli, you know. What should I tell them, Koah?
You haven't tried it, you don't even know what's the taste.
It's a good idea. Did you try the clam?
There you go.
This is fresh clams. How's it? You like it? This is so easy to make. Now, do you think your mommy can cook for you this? Do you want your mommy to cook for you?
You want? Okay, sure. I love Auntie Nurul.
I am so happy right now. I did it! Now, if you want to try out this dish, just click the link and find the recipe and the full details there. Happy trying!
Still eating.
Yeah, that punches you in the nose. It is so spicy, but that's exactly how I like it.